I can never get in these things. I don't know how you
Okay.
guys.
I think you're in.
Move, I can.
Am I in? Oh my god.
No.
Yeah, you're in.
Alright, well.
Okay. I'm here. Okay. Oh my
That was hilarious. That was hilarious.
Oh no.
Worst gun that I've ever played in my life.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Not
Oh no.
I don't know the color death of my hand.
Pete, just kill yourself. I've got the effigy. I also thought ahead and grabbed the rope out of his bag. Oh.
When I was placing the cannon, he was placing it on top of me, so I couldn't fucking get it in place.
Please tell me you got that clip.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh no.
Oh my god, bro, that's the funniest shit of all time. Holy fuck.